Say, not my head, not my blood. Say, I shall not bury this December. I shall not bury next year. I shall not bury by January. Say, I refuse.
December 11 on Thursday, I am in Butterworth. It will be 10 a.m. up until 3 p.m. And then Mtata on Friday the 12th, it will be a whole night prayer. So I say, Tambo. Not my head, not my blood. It will be 6 p.m. up until 6 a.m. People must come as far as Lusigisigi, as far as Embobeni, Ntabankulu, Ekumbu, Tolo, Mathieu, Mamfre, Mafresha, Ekamiliga Joshua Nazareth. The 14th of December, it will be a super Sunday across our branches. Monday the 15th, it will be Monday, Yoba is a Queenstown. Monday the 15th, Indoor Sports Center, because on the 16th it's a holiday. It's a whole night prayer from 6 p.m. up until 6 a.m. You don't want to miss it. In Konzo yam yokubela yokhamba kwami kulonyaka. On the 25th, there's a Christmas service, one up building and all our churches. Let's fellowship. It will be only 3-hour service where we're doing Christmas service. Ekameliga Joshua Nazareth. Mabtetu bumnyama mfulukai. Indlela zako mazifuleke.